Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to do a text formatting on Apple Notes by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your phone, and let's find the Apple Notes on our phone by just go open your app library and then just type Notes. So this is the icon of the Apple Notes, so just need to click it to open it. Now let's just open the documents that containing the paragraph or the articles. And right after that, you just need to decide which text that you want to edit the format. So let's say here I will to make this word leader in italics format. So we just need to go click it twice. Okay, my bad. Just need to go click them and just drag it into the specific area that you want to do the formatting. And after that, you just need to take a look on this bottom side here, and then there will be this part. This is the icon or the button for the text formatting. Go click them if you want to make an italic, so you just need to go click the middle one, and the text is already changed, become an italic. If you want to make some text become a bold, so you just need to do the same, click twice and just go click the B one, and there will be change, become bold format. So that is the way how to do a text formatting on Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.